Hot air balloon launch dito pa rin sa Panguitch. Ayan. Start na sila mag-air ng balloon. Ayan. Parang 36 balloons daw guys ang ilo-launch today. So this one is every year kinagawa guys. Every year hot air balloon launch. Okay. Saan? Okay. Malamig. Malamig dito sa Panguitch. Kahit ano, summer na. Pag morning lang guys. Only in the morning. It's cold here. Once the sun is out, hindi na. Warm na siya. Look at that! Beautiful! Sana sila. Oo nga. Okay. Dami. Pinicturean ko nga sila. Luto lang ng dila ng baka.
Parang big deal.
Busy yung aming chef ay madulo.
Parang big deal na.
Na ang aming stir fry beef tongue. Ay, hindi pa pala.
Ano mo na?
Yung vegetable pa lang pala.
Kasi tatabi ko sa doon.
Ayan.
Madali lang itong pag na
yung tongue. Ito na yung tongue guys. Ayan. Oh. Lasang beef siya. Hindi siya iba ang lasa.
Beef steaks.
Beef steak. Stir fry. Good morning. It's another day, guys. Ayan, oh. Dito naman kami sa hot air balloon. It's a second day event. Ganda ng sun, guys. Ayan, oh. Mas maraming tao ngayon, guys, kasi Saturday kaysa kahapon. Okay, sige.
Hey, you liked me, Mom.
Oh, yeah? Where's Pat Pat? The other side? Ganda nga.
Just like this.
You're like a professional. Happy 4th of July! How's the breakfast Uncle Lynn made? Sis Aima is making a garlic fried rice here.
Red, white, and blue.
Oh yes! Tapos na kami sa parade, guys. Ayan. Mabilis lang kasi small town lang ito. We're making pancit in for 4th of July lunch. Then dinner will be our burgers daw mamayang hapon, guys, sa dinner. Ayan.
Yeah, right there.
Galing ng chef namin. Hi, te. Kainan na. Yes. Tahimik na kasi ano.
Tahimik, kumakain na.
Yeah.
Uncle Lynn, your dad, your mom, and Tita Aima. We're gonna eat the dirty
Kain tulog tayo. For 4th of July. Wow. Smells so good, hon. Ready na ang aming 4th of July dinner. Ayan, guys. Sarap. Happy 4th of July! Okay.
What is... Ayaw pang umaga, sis.
Hey, Mom, can I go
Okay, ready?
Pepsi now? Ah!
Ate.
There's a little kid singing in the front. Yeah, well, my video, yeah. Is there more coming? Is there more coming?
Yes. There's more.
I guess the first one to come.
All of them giving the horn?
That's only one. That's the one, the final.
That's the final
That's the final one, yeah, because it's
Beautiful.
Yep, that's your final finale for 1 minute.
Wow.